There's the drone.
That's at least 100 foot up. That's going to be another $50.
We got the drone recovery man right here.
All right, the drone recovery man. You know what I said?
No.
Oh, okay.
Nothing. What'd you say?
I said must work for free.
Hey, at least I can do is a $20 recovery fee.
Oh man, you don't have to give me that. I'm just giving you a hard time. Hey, put it on my tab. When he sees his pretty face on that camera.
Oh yeah, hey, I'll hook you up with the video. Man, I hope it dang took.
I bet it did. Yeah. Hey, yeah, the leaves aren't in the way. On the cover of Rolling Stones. I hope this dang thing holds. Ooh. Yeah. I earned that picture. Sounds like it's about to blow up.
Yeah, it's letting you know it's in flight crash mode.
Is it still recording?
I work for the government and that thing self-destructs after 10 minutes after it knows it crashed.
Oh.
Let loose.
Gentlemen, I don't think we can have done it without the old yellow strap. Really got it done.
Can you get?
Did you have a battery flight?
Yeah, it won't. It's got to reset itself. Here you go. Can you catch it, Sammy?
Try.
Is it supposed to move up and down?
Yeah, I got an extra. That's a aftermarket battery. You can bring it down. All right, you got it. Can you?
$500 piece of equipment. I mean.
Yeah. Here, let's Sammy.